So I recently made a video talking about how magnesium, vitamin B6, and calcium play together in the release of insulin. Specifically, how magnesium and vitamin B6 work together as enzymes and cofactors to help the mitochondria properly make energy, which changes the cell membrane dynamics, allowing for calcium influx, allowing for the release of insulin from beta cells. Well, while I was doing some side reading on B6, the topic of nerve health kept coming up, like nervous system health, restoring nerve health. And a lot of the resources I was looking at was giving information on B6 in the context of neuropathy, which is commonly tied with diabetes. But then it clicked for me, and I realized if B6 is having an effect on the nervous system, it's probably got a relationship to GABA. And if you don't know about GABA and type 1 diabetes, GABA is actually released by beta cells and plays a huge part in how insulin is released. So then it would be no surprise that vitamin B6 plays a huge part in GABA synthesis and utilization in the body. Like how vitamin B6 is something that makes sure our body uses GAD correctly, like the GAD in GAD autoantibody, that's an indicator for type 1 development, and how B6's availability in the body impacts GABA's availability, which impacts the state of the nervous system. Because of B6's role in both glucose metabolism and GABA production, a B6 deficiency plays a huge part in beta cell health. And it just goes to show you, for anyone new to this road of discovery in type 1 diabetes, that you do have to learn a lot of different systems. But when you learn the players in each of those systems, you find out there is a lot of common ground in the multiple system between all these players. I'll just use two examples, magnesium and zinc. We both know that those minerals are incredibly important in diabetes in a number of different respects. And they just so happen to work together and synergize with B6. So you can take magnesium with the idea of improving your insulin sensitivity, but you're also helping your GABA production system. And I can't think of a single nutrient that I've come across that only serves a single purpose. It's playing in a much larger web, all of which go towards more insulin production and more insulin sensitivity.